It's day 28 of my diet. It's the last day that I'm allowed to have my every morning coffee. And I haven't eaten very much of anything today. In fact, all I've had is another one of these little bags of Inca chips that I just ate as a snack. I probably won't have anything else until dinner. But I did pick up some earlier. I picked up some organic tortilla chips that don't have any sugar or junk in them. It's all organic corn with a little bit of it's all organic corn and oil, and I think there's a little bit of lime in there and some sea salt. I'll read the ingredients when we get to it, but I also picked up a bunch of veg to make my own salsa, so I plan to snack on some of that tonight, so I'll show you that when we get there. But yeah, so far today only the Inca chips and coffee. Okay, it's evening time now and I'm going to make my salsa. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tomato with a green pepper and a habanero pepper and a clove of garlic and half an onion, and that's what I'm going to mix in my NutriBullet with a little bit of salt to make my salsa. Okay, so as not to go over the maximum fill line, looks like I'm going to have to do this in stages. So I've got like half a green pepper, half an onion, and half a tomato in here right now. I'm going to blend that first, and then blend the rest of the tomato, the habanero, the clove of garlic, and the other half of the green pepper, and then mix the two together. Okay, there's what it looks like after blending that first bit. So I'm going to go ahead and stick some more pieces in there and just let the mixer mix it all up. And there we have it, a nice green homemade salsa. Okay, it's just after 7 p.m. and I'm gonna have my second thing to eat today. I've been, kind of not eating. I've been on a liquid diet today of mostly coffee because I know that tomorrow is day 29 and that's the day that I said I would stop doing the daily coffee. So as usual, knowing that I'm gonna try to cut back on something, I binge on it a bit, so I've been drinking coffee all day, and I've switched over now to drinking a cup of margarita that goes with the chips and salsa that I'm gonna eat, which is certainly no better, but the chips and salsa on the other hand are good stuff. So you saw how I made the salsa. It's nice, clean, homemade salsa made out of natural ingredients. To go with that, I am going to eat some organic tortilla chips with blue corn, gluten-free, and I checked into tortilla chip making today, and I found that if you buy just an average, ordinary tortilla chip like Doritos or Tostitos or whatever, it's not just like this one. You got stone ground corn, canola and or sunflower oil, sea salt, and a little bit of hydrated lime. You have to have the lime. That's an ancient thing. I mean, even way back in the Anasazi days, they were using that lime to make things with corn, tortilla like breads. So that's an ancient technique, and I'm not gonna poo-poo that on my diet for sure. However, if you buy another kind of, like if you don't buy the organic stuff, if you don't look for the healthy tortilla chips, then what you're going to get is a chip that's got a lot of different ingredients in it, including a bunch of sugar. So you have to buy the expensive organic chips if you want it to be clean, and that's just the price you got to pay for a decent clean chip. Otherwise, learn to make it yourself, and maybe in the future I will, but today I'm eating some blue corn. We don't grow blue corn up here, but maybe in the future I'll try to make a Tabor corn tortilla chip. We'll see. But tonight, blue corn, homemade salsa, and some margarita.